On most build something projects that have doors, we like to use concealed door hinges. They work great and they're hidden from view. Installing these hinges, though, presents a few challenges. First, you have to drill a very large hole at a specific depth for the hinge cup to fit into. Second, you have to mount the hinge at a specific distance from the edge of the door. This distance is noted in your hinge instructions. Finally, you need to make sure that the hinge is straight. If it's not aligned with the door edge, the hinge won't work right. Thankfully, you can do all of these things easily using a template or, better yet, a jig like this Kreg Concealed Hinge Jig. Alignment cams and a measuring scale allow you to set the proper distance from the door edge and end easily. Once clamped in place, you can drill the large hole with the included bit. The bit sits in a guide that locks into the jig to keep it straight while drilling. A stop collar ensures that the hole is the correct depth without the risk of over-drilling. 2 more holes in the jig make it easy to drill starter holes for the hinge mounting screws. Using a jig, you can install every hinge correctly and be confident that your doors will open and close perfectly.